Good morning, children. Today we are on to third video of redox reactions, and in today's video we will be talking about balancing redox reactions by ion electron method or half reaction method. It is also called as in basic medium. In the previous video I have discussed about acidic medium. So I will take basic medium one example. Say if you have MnO4 minus plus I minus forms MnO2 plus I2. This is in the basic medium. The medium will be given to you in the question, and which method you have to use for balancing also will be given. So the first step is the same as we have discussed in acid medium. You will calculate the oxidation states of all the elements which are present here, right? So Mn, if you calculate, you will get 7. Again I am telling to calculate the oxidation states. I have discussed in my first video. Please go through all the steps. Oxygen is not changing, it's -2. I, it's a monoatomic ion, so -1. Whatever is the charge. Mn, if you calculate, you will get this as +4, and this O is -2. It's a molecule, homoatomic molecule. It is 0, that we have also discussed in the first video of redox reactions. Then we will identify which element is undergoing oxidation or reduction. So we know Mn from 7 is becoming 4. So it is undergoing reduction. This is undergoing reduction. I from -1 is becoming 0. So I is undergoing oxidation. It's undergoing oxidation. So then we will divide this equation into two halves. One, reduction half reaction, right? Another one is oxidation half reaction, So there will be two halves. What is reduction half? This whole species we will write. MnO4 minus is forming MnO2. And what is oxidation half? I minus is forming I2. Okay, I have discussed the rules in the previous one. Now what we will do is we will draw the line in between, right? So after we do this, what we will do? The first step is balance elements other than O and H. So other than O and H you have Mn, which is already balanced. We will go do both the equations simultaneously. I minus and I2. So we'll balance by adding 2, right? Either you can rewrite the whole equation. I have done in the same one. Now when you practice it, obviously you can take shortcuts also, right? After this, the next step is balance O. Wherever the method is different than the previous one, I will let you know. The first step is balance other elements, then balance oxygen. How do we balance oxygen? Same method. You have to balance oxygen by adding water to the deficient side. How many oxygens on the left hand side? 4. Right hand side 2. So 2 less on the right hand side. So you will write down 2 water molecules on the right hand side. As many are less, that many water molecules you will add on the right hand side. Clear? There is no oxygen, so this equation will be same. So no change. Next, after that you have the step as balance hydrogen. This is the only step which is different between acid and the basic medium, right? So in the previous one we were adding H plus to the deficient side. Now in this case we will be adding water to the deficient side. Let me tell you how. You have no hydrogens on the left hand side. You have 4 hydrogens on the right hand side. So 4 are less here. On the left hand side 4 hydrogens are less. So as many hydrogens are less, you first add that many water molecules on the deficient side. There were less hydrogens on the left hand side. I have added 4 because 4 were less. Don't bother when I am writing 4 into 2, it is becoming 8, because we will be compensating the hydrogen atoms by writing same number of water. As you have written water on the left hand side, you will be adding same number of OH minus the right hand side. Did you follow this step? 4 were less on the left hand side, so I wrote 4 First you check how many are less. That many water I will add on the left hand side. How much water you added on the left hand side? Same number of OH minus you add on the right hand side also. Now if you check, the hydrogen will be perfect. Okay, 4 into 2, 8. 4 and 2 into 2. So total is 8 on left and right. There is no change because hydrogen is not at all present on the right. That is the oxidation of reaction. Next, you have to balance charges. You have to balance the charges. How do you balance the charges? Left hand side you check what is the charge. This is neutral. -1. So we will write -1. Right hand side what is the charge? This is 0. Neutral molecule. Neutral molecule. -1 into 4. -4. Okay. What is the difference? 3. And this is reduction half. Reduction means gain of electron. How many electrons should we add? Okay. Reduction half means gain. So gain of electron means how many electrons should we add on the left hand side? 3 electrons. And as such, you know, if I add, this is 1 minus, this is -4. If I add 3 negatives on the left hand side, even this will become -4. So I will rewrite the whole equation. MnO4 minus plus 4 water molecules plus 3 electrons I am going to add forms MnO2 plus 2 water plus 4 OH minus. See to it you do not miss out anything. If you miss out anything, then your answer will be wrong. Next, in this no problem. Charges will be there. Yes, there is a problem. 2I minus forms I2. Charge on the left hand side -2, right hand side 0. So we have to add. This is oxidation half reaction, loss of electron. How many electrons to be added? Equal to the difference. So I will write 2 electrons. Now the next step is I have to equalize the electrons. Left hand side I have 3 electrons and right hand side 2. I will multiply this equation with 3, this equation with 2, whole equation to be multiplied with 2 and 3. Okay, so that the electrons get cancelled. So we do not want the electrons in the final equation. So I will rewrite the whole equation by multiplying left hand side with 2. But please see to it very carefully that you do not miss out anything. By chance if you miss out multiplying anything with 2, then your answer will be wrong. 2 MnO2 plus you have 4 water molecules plus you will have 8 OH minus. Right hand side I am going to multiply with 3, so it will be now 6. 6I minus will form. I am writing arrows together. So it will be 3I2 plus 6 electrons. So when I add these two equations, children, what you will get? Electrons will get cancelled. Even water, you are having left hand side and right hand side, both sides water. So wherever side more, how much more you will write? So I can cancel this. I can simply write 4 water molecules on the left hand side. So I will now copy the whole equation, whatever is left over with me. 6I minus plus 4 water molecules will form 2 MnO2 plus I have 3I2 plus 8 OH minus. You can check yourself whether your answer is right. Left hand side, what is the charge? -2, 2 into this minus 6. So total is -8 on the left hand side. Right hand side also 8 into -1 -8. You can check all the elements are also correct. So the answer is correct. Okay. I will take one more equation to balance in the basic medium. We will take another equation. This is the equation P4 forming PH3 plus H2PO2 minus. Okay. So you must be wondering, there is only one reactant, 2 products. Don't worry. We will first calculate the oxidation state. This is P4. A homoatomic molecule. Same atom ka molecule. So oxidation state of phosphorus is 0. If you calculate for this phosphorus, you will get as -3. For this phosphorus, if you are calculating, children, you will get it as +1. Right? So phosphorus is increasing from 0 to +3. Phosphorus is also increasing. So sorry, this is -3. This is -3. Okay. So phosphorus is decreasing. So P4 forming PH3 is reduction. This is reduction. P4 forming this +1 oxidation state is oxidation. Okay. So this was -3. I hope you made that correction. It was not plus 3. This is more electronegative, right? So now what we will do is the same element undergoing oxidation and reduction. We will study in the types of reactions. This reaction is called as disproportionation. Disproportionation reaction. When the same element is undergoing oxidation and reduction. This is oxidation half. So such reactions are called as disproportionation. Right? It is also a type of a redox reaction only. Okay. So what we will do, we will again divide this into reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction. I'm using short, forms. So I will write in the reduction form P4 forming this. So I will write the same reactant forming one product, say the same base P4 forming H2PO2. Because when we are balancing, that P4 will be more in number. That will not be an issue. Okay. So now we will divide line. We'll make a line in between. Now we will start balancing it. Other elements first, other than oxygen and hydrogen. So we will have to put 4 on both the sides because phosphorus is there. Right. So we have to write down 4 here. After this, we have to balance oxygen. How do you balance oxygen? Adding water. So this side no problem, there is no oxygen. Here you have no on left hand side, but right hand side you have 4 into 2, 8. That means we will write down this plus 8 water molecules on the left hand side because there were 8 oxygens on the right hand side. Clear? Now we have to balance hydrogen. To balance hydrogen, we will have to add water on the deficient side. Let me check here first. No hydrogens on the left, but right hand side you have 12. How many are less on the left hand side? That many I will add first. So P4 plus 12 are less on the left hand side. I will write 12 water molecules on the left hand side. As I said, as many water molecules you add, the same number of OH minus you are going to add on the other side. Is it clear? This part is clear, children? Next, you will check here. How many hydrogens on the left hand side? 16 and 8. 8 less on the right hand side. As many are less, you will first add that many water molecules on the deficient side. There were 8 less here. You will add 8 water molecules on the left hand side and the same number of OH minus the other side. Deficient side water. Check how many are less, that many you add, and then same number of OH minus the other side. Clear? Now, in the next step, you will find water, 8 and 8 are coming. So now you can cancel out because we don't want the similar terms on left and right. Clear? Now, we will check for the charges. How many charges on the left hand side? 0. Right hand side, minus 12. 12 less on the left hand side. And moreover, this is reduction of. Reduction means gain of electron. So what I will do is, so I will write 12 electrons on the left hand side. So this P4 plus 12 H2O plus I will write 12 electrons. Reduction means gain of electron. So I've added on the left hand side PH3 plus 12 OH minus. Let's see what is the charge on the right hand side. Oxidation half. On the left hand side of the oxidation half, minus 8. On this side you have, minus 4. So 4 less on the right hand side. Okay. And moreover, this is oxidation half. Oxidation means loss of electrons. So it will be losing electrons means right hand side you will add electrons equal to the difference. Copy down whatever was there previously. Do not miss out anything. If you miss out anything, your answer will be wrong, children. This plus you have 4 electrons. Right? Now you have to make charges equal on the left hand side and right hand side. Means electrons equal. What is electron on the right hand side? Oxidation of 4. This is 12. Means gain is by 12 electron and loss is of 4. You have to make loss and gain equal. So you will multiply this equation with 3. When you multiply this with 3, this also will be 12 now. So I will multiply and rewrite the whole equation again. So left hand side, let me copy first as such. P4 plus 12 water plus 12 electrons form 4pH3 plus 12, this is minus 12 OH minus, and right hand side I am going to multiply this with 3. So 3p4 plus 3 into 8, 24. 24 OH minus forms. Then you will have this is 12. 12 H2PO2 minus plus 12 electrons. Then I am going to cancel out whatever I can. Electrons will get cancelled. You will also find OH minus coming on right as well as left. When they are coming on both the sides, we will write on one side whichever side more and how much more. 24 and 12. So I will cancel here. On the left hand side I will simply write 12. And I will copy this whole equation. P4 and 3p4 and p4 I will write as 4p4 plus 12 water plus 12 OH minus forms 4pH3 plus 12 H2PO2 minus. That's it. Now you will check on the left and right. Let us check on left and right. Left hand side you have the total charge minus 12. Right hand side also you have minus 12. That means our equation is correct. If charges are correct, most of the time it is correct. But you also check the other elements. Okay, you will check phosphorus is 16. This is 12 and 4, 16. Hydrogens you can check. All elements are correct. So our answer is right. Okay. Please see the whole equation now properly. This was our equation P4 forming, right? And please take pause in between and write down the whole equation. Okay, this is our final equation. Please note down this equation and you will try to balance it on your own. N2H4 plus ClO3 minus forms NO plus Cl minus. It is in the basic medium. You will try to balance it. Okay, pause it in between, balance it, and for this I am giving you the answer. You can check the answer. I hope you got the same answer. This is the answer for it, the upper one. This is the answer for it, children, right? I am giving you one more equation. This is, try yourself, please try this equation. It is in the basic medium, children. It is in basic medium. You will balance it by ion electron method in the basic medium. The equation is Cl2 forming Cl minus plus ClO3 minus. Okay, you can try, one more equation. I can write it for you. Cl2 forming Cl minus plus OCl minus. I'm not giving you answers for this, but you will try balancing both these equations. This is chlorine forming chloride and chlorate ion. This is chlorate. This is chlorine forming chloride IDE plus hypochlorite. This is hypochlorite ITE. This is chlorate ion. You will try balancing this. Okay. I hope you have followed it well. Balancing equations, redox reactions by ion electron method in basic medium. In acid, basic, both I have covered. Okay, please practice it well. Thank you for watching.